here's how you do that. So notice here, here's the search engine results for dog car barrier. And notice here that this product here has got two prices. One is the price now, the other is the crossed out price, all right? That's a very, very compelling thing to see. Tells you the things on sale. That's also compelling. Look, with coupon, always good to do that. Look at the real estate you get in the SERPs by doing that. But let me show you how to do this. You already know how to do coupons if you're in AOE. Let me show you how to do that, all right? Now let me pause my screen just quickly. All right. So here we are in Seller Central, and here we are on the offer tab of Seller Central. So you're going to go into a Seller Central, set your product how I've taught you in AOE training, and then if you want to create that thing where it's on sale, here's how you do it. It's pretty simple. So in the manufacturer's suggested retail price, you put one price, which is your higher price, of course, and then you have your lowest price, and that will give you that. So it's basically on sale. It's basically on sale, all right? You've got your RRP, which is this, and you've got it what you're selling it for, which is your lowest price. It's like your sales price, although it's not called your sales price. It's that. You can also put your sale price in there and then put it on sale for a while, and that will also give you extra real estate too, all right? Either of those is a really cool thing to do. Here's an interesting thing, what I'm just testing, all right? Now, I don't know if this works consistently. I don't know if it works consistently, but let me give you something I'm just doing right now that we just dicked about with just to see if it worked. Here's what we're doing. So what we're doing is, you've got your start selling date here. We have noticed, just to come back here, that Amazon likes to include products that have only recently started selling in its SERPs. On page 1 of its SERPs, typically it likes to put at least one new product into here, okay? I mean, it hasn't done it on here, which kind of sucks just because I'm showing you this shit, but typically it does. It puts something in there. Maybe I've just got the wrong thing. So we thought to ourselves, how on earth would we get an existing product into there so that it gets a bump in the SERPs and it's a kind of new product? So what we did was we paused our listing, which you can do just from your seller account. Just pause your listing, paused it for 4 hours, pause 4 hours. You still got stock in, but you just pause it, all right? And then while you paused it, you come in here, alter your selling date to today's date, save it and finish it, wait 20 minutes, and then re-enable your product. And for us, it's putting our products into the new listings. I hope that makes sense. I haven't tried it on everything yet, but we just literally started doing that. It's a cool little thing. Have a go. It's a cool little thing that we're doing it, and yeah, it's working really, really well. So have a go at that. You pause your listing from Seller Central, from going into Seller Central. In the edit menu just here, you pause your listing there, okay? Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business. And the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon. And indeed, Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.